In this video, as you have seen by the title itself, I'm going to represent to you an affiliate marketing strategy. But this won't be like those that you have watched probably many times on YouTube. In fact, this is going to be a little bit different. And guys, we are going to jump into one website to another and might sound a little bit confusing at first, but in the end, you are going to check out that this will make you earn money really quickly and really fast without waiting for results in a month. But very quickly and fast, you are going to receive your thousands of dollars, your first thousands of dollars just by using this method. Now guys, what you will have to do is just listen carefully to every detail that I'm going to explain. So in the end, you are going to do this by yourself and earn your money. Now before I show you every detail, first I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, but also turn on the notification bell, so in this way you will never lose any new update from me. Now let's jump over to the first step, which will be going over to partnerstack.com. Now Partnerstack is basically an affiliate marketplace in which you can find different programs to promote. Here you are going to find digital products, not physical products, which will be much easier and much faster for you to promote and also earn money. Here, you just want to convince people to sign up to a program, not to make any purchase. This is why it's going to be really quickly and really fast. Now guys, what you will have to do is as soon as you open Partnerstack main page is go over to the marketplace, and here you are going to see that they have 65,000 active partners to over 200 partnership programs. Just go over to explore the marketplace and have a look at all of the digital products that they offer. Now you can check out that all of the programs offer different prices. Now you can earn 30% with one, 25% with another, 10%, $100,000 or $120, or even $75. It depends on the program that you are going to choose, also your earnings. Now guys, of course I have a recommendation for you, so in this way you will have it much easier as soon as you come over to the marketplace to choose a program. Now that is called Sendinblue. This program will be the best to promote as a beginner, because here you are going to see that this is very handy for business people and they will love to have this. Now this is for digital marketing. So digital marketing is really important for business people because it helps them out to grow as a business and make them come more clients to their business. Now you are going to get $5 per new account and also $100 per new payment. So you are going to receive $5 even if the person just go over to Sendinblue and doesn't make any purchase but just opens the account and might choose the free trial. You are also going to earn $100, which will be a bonus if the person later on decides to buy or make any purchase on the program. Now guys, click on Sendinblue over here and you will be directed to this page in which it's going to give you more information. Now if step 1 will be join the program and get your referral link, step 2 will be share a link on social media and more, step 3 will get rewarded from promoting Sendinblue. Now you are going to get paid really quickly and fast, and also you are going to get rewards. Apply to the program by clicking over here, and then you will have to put your first name, last name, email, business name, website URL, and then you will have to click one of these, which will be the way you are going to share this link, and then click on next. After finishing up with this process over here, you will have to jump over to Google and search for why email marketing is important for business. We will need a good article because I will tell you why we are going to use this article to promote this program in particular. So I have decided for this article, which is titled 9 Reasons Why Email Marketing is So Important. And as you can see, this is a really good article because it shows you why it's important in email marketing. It's affordable, allows for targeted messaging, increased brand awareness, it's timely, everyone uses email. Now what you will have to do is copy the link of this article, and then you are going to jump over to lumen5.com. Now guys, lumen5.com is basically a program in which you can create a video by just having an article. Click on new video over here and you will be directed to choose a template. After deciding for a template, here you are going to choose the format, which will be landscape in our case. Go over to story and here you are going to paste the URL of the article that you have grabbed before. After you have imported the article over here, they are going to convert it into a video. Now guys, if you want to change the article, you can change it by using paraphrasing tool. So in this way, it will not be exactly the same as the article that you have seen before. So in this way, you will make some changes. After finishing up changing the media, icons, musics, and everything else that you want to change, convert it to a video. And after finishing up, this will be the video that you have created in which you are going to share it and earn money. Now the next step will be going over to Canva and search up for YouTube thumbnails. Now Canva is going to give you a lot of free designs that you can choose one of those. I have decided for this one in which I'm going to change a little bit the text, the fonts, the pictures, the media, and everything else. After I have finished up, what you will have to do is click on the download button over here. Now guys, the next step will be going over to YouTube and open a YouTube channel. I think you have understood that we are going to promote this program on YouTube because it will be much easier and faster because YouTube, it is one of the biggest platforms that exist out there, and you're going to find a lot of people here which will be interested watching your video, especially the business. So after opening a YouTube channel, what you will have to do is drag and drop the video that you have created with Lumen 5. Now after uploading the video, you will have to pay some attention to the details of the video. Now guys, you don't need any subscribers at all. You just need to find a good title of the video. Like you can put something like best email marketing platform. So in this way, people can watch your video and of course click on it, and you are going to put also in the description the affiliate link. So after they have watched the entire video and learned all of the best things about email marketing, they will be interested about Sendinblue, and they will click on the affiliate link and you're going to receive immediately $5. And after they have seen how good it is with a free trial, they're going to decide to make any purchase on Sendinblue, and as soon as they do that, you are going to receive immediately your first $100 with only one client. So you are going to earn in total $105, but that will be only with one client, guys. But imagine how many people are going to watch this video and you are going to earn money from each of them. So pay attention to every step that I explained to you and follow them up and do this, and you're going to receive your first money. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed. If yes, then give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and also check out other videos as well.